welcome back to my channel. Vlogmas is officially over, but we're stepping into something new. Life after Vlogmas. I wanted to start this new chapter by slowing things down and sharing what I got for Christmas this year. Not in a flashy, over-the-top kind of way, but just taking a moment to reflect and express gratitude and appreciate the little things that made the season special. So if you're someone who loves cozy content, intentional living, and realistic lifestyle moments, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. I'm going to share everything that I got in no particular order, just the things that really stood out and made me feel loved this Christmas. First off, my bonus daughter Reagan got me the sweetest and cutest little bundle. She gave me this cozy bathrobe, which I actually wore to bed Christmas night because I forgot regular pajamas, and it worked out very well. Along with this miniature candle set that smells amazing. She also gave me this festive holiday mug and some hot chocolate drink bombs, which honestly feels so on brand for me because if you've been watching me lately, I've been into my hot drinks this winter. Then she added this Delta luggage tag, which is so thoughtful because she knows how much I love my sorority. She actually thought it was an ID badge holder, which I'm actually going to use it for that. I'm actually going to use it as an ID badge holder because I have other Delta luggage tags. So I can put my ID badge here. And my favorite part is this at the bottom. The only sorority. Period. My husband kept it simple, but very appreciated. He gave me a $100 Ulta gift card, which means makeup restock, okay? But you know, they have makeup, skincare, perfume, hair care products, and maybe even trying something new. I'll never be mad at an Ulta gift card. And then my dad, I guess you can include my mom in this too, because it's always from both of them, gave me a $25 Chipotle gift card, which honestly might be one of my most used gifts after the bathrobe, of course. Because if you know me, you know Chipotle is always a yes. Overall, I'm just really grateful. Christmas for me is less about the gifts and more about the thought and the time spent with family. Of course, I cherish the love and the time that we spend together over everything. This video felt like the perfect way to close out the holiday season and step into life after Vlogmas. Slower, intentional, and full of gratitude. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Join me on this Life After Vlogmas journey. Bye, y'all.